Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create a new account on Monzo. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Monzo mobile application, and once you are on this page, you are going to see the option of open an account. So you simply need to click on open an account and then it will ask you to provide your email address. So in this section, you need to enter that particular email address which you want to register with your Monzo account. Afterwards, you need to press next. On the next page, it will show you that you need to check your email address as they have sent you a login link on your email address. So you need to open your email app, and after that you just have to proceed to the next step. So in the next step, you need to verify your identity. For that, you will have to press the option of I am ready, and then you will be able to see various IDs such as your passport, driver's license, government issue ID, etc. So you just have to choose any of the options that are given over here. For example, you have chosen driver's license. So after selecting it, you will have to upload its image. So you will be able to see this type of frame in front of you. So in this frame, you need to align your chosen ID. After that, you need to capture the photo of it by clicking on this capture button. It may ask you to provide the front and the back side of your ID. So you need to upload all the files in this section. Afterwards, it will ask you to submit your own recordings. So you will have to create a short video tutorial for yourself in which you need to show your face, and you need to even speak, as they are going to give you some text to speak. So you will have to follow the instructions to record yourself with your audio. Once the video is done, you need to press the submit video button in the bottom. Then it will take some time to upload the files, and then it will show you that we are verifying your account information. This usually takes between 5 minutes and an hour, but can sometimes take up to 48 hours. So please check back later. So over here, after waiting for some time, when your verification is complete, you just have to sign in into your account, and then you will be able to easily create your account on Monzo. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.